Hello guys, welcome back to me. Yeah, my apologies guys for the late upload. Something just came up and I wasn't prepared to set a scheduled video. I usually record the collaboration video ahead of time and then set the schedule for the upload, but unfortunately I wasn't able to do that, and yeah, I'm just doing it right now. My apologies, and I hope you will still watch this video. This collaboration is about the Mastermind influencers collaboration. It's about helping new YouTubers how to improve their channel. And just a disclaimer, I'm not an expert. Our channel has been monetized, but we are still learning. I am still learning, and we are still trying to give you guys a good content that you will enjoy. So just bear with us and let's get started. So to begin with guys, I have this collaboration with 5 other lovely ladies. I have their other channel links on my description box below. Please double check, watch their video if you have time, because we all have different content and different ideas. You will surely learn something from them, and you will also have an idea of what kind of content you wanna put on your YouTube channel. For me, there are 2 ways on putting your content. One is you can face the camera while you do the talking. 2 is like the one I'm doing. I just do voiceover for some personal reasons. And I do hope guys that you're enjoying the scenery that I choose in this video. This is something that, you know, could give peace of mind and make you relax while looking at it. And I do hope that my voice is calming enough for you to listen until the end. My first tip for this month collaboration is explore as many content as you want. Like if you don't know yet what kind of content you want to put on your channel, just explore, have fun, and just make sure that, you know, your viewers will still learn something from what you're trying to upload in YouTube, and your viewers will enjoy watching whatever you upload on your channel. And if your channel is like this channel, ditzy, that has different kinds of contents, like anything under the sun, you must remember when you upload your video, you should not forget to put something on your description box, and make sure that your title match with your description words as well. Tip number 2, how to increase your watch hours. So it is very important that we reach the required watch hours by YouTube to get monetized. And my tip for that is always interact with your viewers. Try to reply with those leaving comments on your videos, like appreciate them, because it takes time to watch a video and leave a comment. So it's a must. Just based on my experience, like the reason why we reach the watch hours is we always say thank you, appreciate, you know, all those people leaving comments on our videos. And if they don't have a channel, just say thank you, reply. If they have a channel, watch their video, try to support them as well, because we have to accept the fact that we are not celebrities, we are not popular, so we have to really extend effort and like getting views. We're not like those celebrities that even if they don't reply to comments, people will still watch their videos regardless. So yeah, that's the fun fact that we have to accept. As a new YouTuber, getting those required watch hours and followers is a struggle. Like struggle is real, so take it easy. Don't think of what other YouTube creator had accomplished. Just focus on your journey and focus on what content that could give you a peace of mind. Tip number 3, how to increase your number of subscribers. I noticed most of the new YouTubers nowadays can easily get a huge number of subscribers. Just make sure that those subscribers are organic and they will watch your videos every time you upload, because let's admit it, like not all my subscribers are active. Like that's 1,000 subscribers and my views are not even reaching like 500 every time I upload. And I think that's one of the reasons why I wanna reconnect with them. One of the plan is to visit them again and try to do some catch-up moment, because as what I've said, we are not celebrities and we are just new in YouTube, so it's really a struggle, but we have to keep on moving and keep on experimenting what could be the best thing for us to do to improve our channel. And lastly, guys, when you get monetized, it doesn't end there. When you get monetized, you need to keep on moving. You need to keep on uploading contents, which is, if you've noticed, I was inactive for 3 days because I have to deal with some issues. And yeah, that's one of the reasons why I'm giving this tip is my revenues didn't go up when I was inactive. So I'm trying to do some catch-up moments now, and hopefully my revenue will increase. But yeah, it doesn't end when you get monetized. So let's just keep on pushing and inspire each other to upload more videos, support each other, and hopefully everyone will get monetized and everyone will achieve what they want to achieve when they started their YouTube channel. So good luck, guys, and please do not forget to check other participants' videos if you haven't done that. I believe there's a playlist for that, and the channel's link is on the description box below. Please double check, as well as the playlist. Thank you. Good luck and God bless everyone. Until our next upload. See ya. Bye.